I'm going to preface this video the way I should preface every video, which is by saying that I don't know, and I'm just telling you what I think. So, about 10 or 11 months ago, I went to this camp called Wheatstone Academy, link in my pants, and it was really awesome, but I'm going to talk about one of the questions that I was thinking about while I was there. The question I was thinking about was, do animals have souls? Now, when I was asking this question in these small group discussions, which sounds lame, but trust me, it's awesome, the leader of the small group discussion told me about this book by Aristotle called De Anima, which means On the Soul. I should add that I tried to read this book soon after I got back from Wheatstone, but I failed, and I just read it like a week ago. So first I'll quickly tell you what Aristotle thought, and then I'll tell you what I think, which is pretty similar. Aristotle said that the soul is the essential whatness of the being. So, he said it a lot, flowery language than that, but that is his essential thesis, that the soul is the essential whatness of the being. And then he goes into further detail. He thought there were essentially three parts to the soul. 1. Nutrition and reproduction. Now, all animals have these, all living beings have these abilities. The lowest form of the soul are the things that only have these abilities, namely plants. 2. Animals have nutrition and reproduction, as well as sense perception and ability of action. 3. Human beings have nutrition, reproduction, sense perception, action, as well as what he called reason or intellect. Now, I think that in a lot of ways I agree with him, and I realized that when I was asking the question, do animals have souls, what I was really asking was, do animals have human souls? Because one of the properties, I think, of a human soul is that it is eternal. Now, not all souls are like this, but human souls are. So I think the answer is yes, that animals do have souls, but not in the same way that we have souls. And I think this question also kind of has to do with, do animals think and do animals feel? And I think that they do think and feel, but in a much different way than human beings do, and in a much lower way. So, yeah, there are my thoughts. This is way more fun than a black screen. This is a picture of some little figurines of animals that I have in my room. Yeah. I should add that I tried to read this book right after I got back. Oh, hiccup. And then I just recently read it like a week ago. Oh, another hiccup. I should add that I tried to read this book.